Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new updates on the 2021 Kia Seltos midsize SUV. Just recently, we discussed the updates on the 2021 Hyundai Creta. But before the Hyundai Creta, the Kia Seltos and the Sonet were the first to receive some significant updates on most of their variants. In this video, we are going to discuss the feature, powertrain and gearbox updates on the 2021 Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos HTK Plus mid-spec variant is now available with a 6-speed IMT gearbox, or the clutchless intelligent manual transmission, mated to the 1.5-litre 115 horsepower 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine. Apart from this, the Kia Seltos also gets a new GTX optional variant, which is available only with the 1.4-litre turbocharged GDI petrol engine, mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. This GTX optional variant slots right below the GTX Plus top-spec variant and adds the features of dual-tone black and beige leatherette seats along with red stitching over the HTX Plus variant. The HTX Plus variant, on the other hand, gets black and brown leatherette seat covers, while all the other equipment remain exactly the same. However, the HTX Plus variant no longer gets a diesel automatic option, whereas only the HTK Plus and the GTX Plus variant get the option of a diesel engine with an automatic transmission. While the entry-level HTE variant does not get any feature update, the HTK and HTK Plus variants now get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with the HTK Plus variant now getting remote engine start function. The IMT gearbox-equipped HTK Plus variant comes with beige seat upholstery, an electric sunroof and automatic climate control. The HTX variant onwards, the Kia Seltos gets an updated infotainment system which now accepts a wider variety of voice commands to control things like the electric sunroof, driver's side power window, AC vents and the front windshield defogger. The HTX variant also adds an air purifier as standard. In terms of safety features as well, the Kia Seltos HTX variant onwards now gets electronic stability control, hill start assist, traction control and brake assist as standard. Along with these updates, the top-spec GTX Plus variant also comes with paddle shifters on the turbo petrol DCT automatic transmission variant and the turbo diesel torque converter automatic transmission variant. Summing up all the engine and powertrain options, the Kia Seltos' 1.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine is now available with 3 different transmission options, namely a 6-speed manual gearbox, a 6-speed IMT gearbox and a CVT automatic gearbox. The 140 horsepower 1.4-litre turbo petrol engine continues with the same transmission options of a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The 115 horsepower 1.5-litre turbo diesel engine, on the other hand, also continues with the same 6-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission options. Let's now sum up the price range of the new 2021 Kia Seltos. The 1.5-litre 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol range starts from Rs 9.95 lakh for the entry-level HTE variant and goes up to Rs 13.65 lakh ex-showroom for the HTX variant with the 6-speed manual transmission. The HTK Plus IMT variant is priced at Rs 12.19 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the CVT automatic HTX variant alone is now available for Rs 14.65 lakh ex-showroom. The 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol range starts from Rs 15.35 lakh ex-showroom for the manual GTX optional variant, while the GTX Plus manual variant costs Rs 16.65 lakh ex-showroom. The DCT automatic transmission is available only with the GTX Plus variant, which is priced at Rs 17.44 lakh ex-showroom. The diesel manual range starts from Rs 10.45 lakh ex-showroom from the HTE variant and goes up to Rs 15.79 lakh ex-showroom for the HTX Plus variant. The diesel automatic combination, however, is available only with the HTK Plus variant, which costs Rs 13.95 lakh ex-showroom, and the top-spec GTX Plus variant, which costs Rs 17.65 lakh ex-showroom. Despite the slightly increased price for the 2021 Kia Seltos, it offers more features and way more flexible powertrain options for the midsize SUV category customers. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these updates regarding features, powertrains and gearboxes on the Kia Seltos. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.